Assalamualaikum viewers. You're watching Knock Knock Engineering channel. In this video, I will tell you how to download all Autodesk licensed software free of cost. Hoping that you will like our video. Let's start this video. First of all, search for Autodesk on Google. A screen will open showing the softwares like AutoCAD, Revit. There is an option available at the right side of the screen, see all products. Click on that. Any screen will open showing all the softwares offered by Autodesk. There are a lot of softwares available, but you can see you have to pay a yearly subscription for all of these softwares. Now, how to download it free of cost? You have to go at the top right corner and click on the menu option. There is an option of student and educators. Click on that. Now go to the top left and click on the softwares. Here you can see softwares like Inventor, Revit, AutoCAD, 3ds Max. When you scroll down your screen, you will see a lot more softwares available for download. We are clicking on Fusion 360. You will see two options available. We don't have an account by now, so we click on create account. Here choose your country and fill all the details. Your date of birth and all these things. Now click on save and add your name, email, password. When you have done all the things, click on create account. You have to verify your account by going to Gmail and verify your email. Now a new screen will open. You have to click on done. Now here add your institution name. Most of the time you will not find your educational institution, so simply just add it manually. Here I am adding my educational institution where I have learned my engineering. Here add your date of enrollment and anticipation graduation date. Click on next and your account is set. So click on continue and your download will start automatically. First of all, you have to sign in your account. Now your download will start automatically. Click on setup and wait for it to complete. Here, your Film 360 software is ready to use. In this software, you will see that there are, let's open it. Here you can see that there are different working environments available. We will cover it in our upcoming lectures. For that time, goodbye, Allah Hafiz. Hope that you have enjoyed this video. We are going to give classes on this software also. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our channel also. Thank you.